In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to get back the vertical status style on WhatsApp. If you head to your WhatsApp status section and your status preview is in horizontal format, this makes navigation less efficient, as users would need to tap through each status individually rather than quickly scrolling. And also, skipping unwanted statuses might become more difficult, forcing users to wait for them to play instead of bypassing them easily. So to get back the vertical format, simply just unfollow only followed channel on WhatsApp. Now let's say this channel right here. If I head to it and unfollow, my status preview will get back to normal. Whenever you follow a channel, it has to show up down below your statuses, disabling the vertical status style. Well, that's it. And you have any questions? Just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.